Hi, welcome again to another presentation. Today we are going to talk about African swine fever, the deadly disease of pigs. Pigs are very important in as far as food security is concerned because they produce a lot of young ones within a short time, at least twice a year, and therefore they provide us with a lot of meat. They also provide us with white meat, which is preferred to as compared to red meat because it is low in cholesterol and therefore it's of health importance. What is African swine fever? It's a highly infectious and fatal disease, viral disease of pigs, and it was initially confirmed in Africa, but with the time it has spread to other parts of the world like Asia. It is transmitted through contact from sick to healthy pigs and also fomites. Fomites are any materials that come into contact with the sick animal and they harbor the virus and therefore they are able to transmit the disease. This includes housing, equipment, vehicles, feed, clothing, and so on. It also includes the swill. Swill, it's the leftover food from humans or for humans, which is fed to pigs. There is also a tick called soft tick that transmits the disease. So, what are the clinical signs of African swine fever? They include fever, and hence the name. That's high temperatures of over 42 degrees centigrade. However, the disease comes in suddenly. You find that some pigs that were healthy, maybe in the evening or in the morning, later on, you find that they have gone down, they are lying down on their side. We call it recumbency, they can't do anything, we call it prostration. And it will spread to a whole pen. If one pig is affected in a pen, it will spread to the whole pen. And you'll find that pigs are either dead or alive. And those that are alive are not able to do anything, but they can maybe try to move their ears or their feet. And the disease can affect all the pigs and kill all of them. Another clinical sign is abdominal discoloration, purple abdominal discoloration. We call it congestion, and this can affect also the ears, and it can also affect the feet. Another sign is vomiting, and as the pigs are vomiting and they are not eating, they lose body condition very fast, and at this time, abortion can take place. So the disease is very devastating to the owner and even to the economy of the affected area. So it is important that this disease is controlled so that it does not come about. So what are the control measures of African swine fever? They include quarantine. Separate incoming pigs with the pigs which are already there and observe the incoming pigs for at least 2 weeks so that you can check whether they have any disease. Also observe biosecurity in the affected houses, especially if you are moving from the newly introduced pigs to the already existing pigs. Make sure that you disinfect your feed and equipment and any other material that is shared between the houses. Also avoid swill, but if you have to use it, heat it to a temperature of 70 degrees centigrade and at least for 30 minutes so as to kill or inactivate the virus. Check also your feed supply system. Sometimes you find that feed transporters transmit the disease by moving from one farm to the other. So the good practice is here is for you to go and collect your feed from the shop. Apply livestock movement control regulations that assist you to move animals from one place to the other one. That is a no objection. That tells you there is no objection. You can take the pigs, and a permit, a movement permit that allows you to move the permits from an origin, from the pig origin to the destination. Dispose of dead pigs by burying them at least 6 feet below the surface, the ground surface, or by burning them because the infected material has the ability to transmit the disease. But more importantly, the control of African swine fever involves housing The pigs should be kept in an enclosure so that they don't come into contact with other animals, because the disease is spread through contact from infected to animal to an animal that is not infected. Avoid roadside grazing, because apart from being a danger to the motorists and other passers-by or road users, these pigs, they transmit the disease, or they are able to collect the disease from this infected place to the other one. So scavenging and open grounds which are not fenced are discouraged, because they all contribute to African swine fever spread. So African swine fever has the ability to decimate the pig population. That means reduce significantly the pig population in affected areas. And this one, as already said, will affect the food security. So it is important to control the disease, and the vaccine has not been very effective, or has not been very widespread in doing this. So these control measures that we have mentioned are the ones that are very critical, especially housing or putting the pigs or rearing the pigs in enclosures. So this brings me to the end of today's presentation. I hope it has been informative. If it has, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you are new to this channel that takes a glance at the past, present, future, and technical issues in agriculture, kindly subscribe so that you can be updated. Otherwise, let's meet in the next presentation. Thank you very much. Thank you.